Everybody think about life, but everybody been fussing and fighting. But life is a spirituality. We always continue in life. Cause Bubla always tell you the righteousness. That's why many man must gain their consciousness. What is life? Ooh, what is life? Oh, yeah. People are worried about life, never really think confident. All they want is to do is real along. What is life is to mean? Gain your confidence. Lot of really spiritual that you need is more that you want. I says life is all the way. I says life, hey, the people them just today. One thing the people never really associate all the time. All them do is fuss and fight. What do they gain all the time? I says life. Ooh, what is life? Yeah, Life is always begin all the time in humanity. And to mankind have to realize, gain up your confidence. So people today never really associate, never really spiritual all the time. What do they do all time? I says life. Ooh, what is life? Yeah. Everybody them a worry about life. Think like this, no one never to gain their confidence. Putting their trust in the Most High. That's what you need all the time. People them a talk about life. Oh yeah, what about this life? People nowadays them never realize what I really want all time. The same thing today, the next day tomorrow, what them have to bring all time. Them a worry about life all the time. And them a worry, yeah, Worry, them a worry, yeah. Worry, yeah. Worry, them a worry all time. What is life? Ooh, what is life? Oh, yeah. What is people today? Never gain them confident. What is the people today? I know. Things like changing in every way. Things like changing